Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be covering everything you need to know in order to build out compelling, profitable front-end offers on Facebook and Instagram so that you can continue to generate leads and appointments for your med spa for perpetuity. The offer is one of the most important components when it comes to creating a successful Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. So let's dive in and arm you with the tools necessary to become an all-star media buyer. So first off, in the context of Facebook and Instagram ads, what even is an offer? The offer is the service or experience that we're promoting, typically to new/first-time patients. So it could be centered around a hydrofacial, a body contouring treatment, weight loss injection. The goal of the offer is to entice viewers to opt in and become a lead. Now, not all offers are created equal, and there's a ton of terrible ones out there, especially from inexperienced med spa owners who are running ads by themselves. So it's important early on for me to discuss winning offer characteristics so you avoid a lot of the common pitfalls that I see people getting caught in. The most important thing you want your offer to be is easy yes. Meaning it should be a no-brainer for someone that's interested in the service to click book now or learn more or whatever call to action button you choose when you set up the ads, which we'll get into later. It needs to be stacked with perceived value, so much so that a person would feel stupid for not opting in. How do you create additional perceived value within an offer? Add-ons, free bonuses, supplementary services. The offer needs to be specific to your customer avatar. If you offer body contouring, for instance, you probably know the exact type of person that typically comes in for that treatment. If you've been doing it long enough, you've probably noticed certain patterns about the age range of that particular clientele. Perhaps there's certain occupations that you see over and over. So your offer should appeal to your target audience, the people in your area that you know are most likely to be interested in the service that you're advertising. Your customer avatar probably has specific pain points that they're trying to address with this treatment. So you definitely want to make sure that your offer addresses specific and common pain points. Saggy skin, excess fat around the waist, fine lines and wrinkles. Your offer needs to have specific and easy to understand deliverables. And what I mean by that is you shouldn't combine different services that might be attractive to different avatars. For instance, somebody that's interested in a hydrofacial might have zero interest in any kind of body contouring service. So it doesn't make sense to include both of those treatments that may be applying to different audiences in the same offer. Your results are gonna suffer because it's not specific enough, it's overcomplicated, and people are gonna be a lot more likely to just scroll past it. It's also a good idea to introduce scarcity in your offer, meaning it's only available for a select amount of people or perhaps only until the end of the month. And perhaps the biggest factor that you want to be aware of is the price. Especially when you're promoting a service to a cold audience, you want to keep the price as low as possible. For a front-end offer to a cold audience, I recommend staying at $147 or under. And I know that price point might freak some of you out. Those that are worried about cheapening their brand, for instance, or attracting bargain hunters or Groupon type shoppers. But trust me, there's a method to this madness. And what you have to remember is the overall purpose of these intro front-end offers. These are designed to reduce the commitment of first-time patients. These front-end offers are not designed to make you rich. They're designed to get new people in your door, which is the hardest part. What they can also do is create predictable patient flow. So if you're somebody that's struggling to get people in your door right now, you have to broaden your horizons and keep an open mind when it comes to running discounted front-end offers. Now, to be clear, I'm not suggesting that you take a service that's typically $1,000 for a single session and bring the price all the way down to $147 or below to run it as a front-end offer. What I am suggesting is that you find a service that makes sense for you to discount it down to $147 or under. Something where you have minimal consumables, something where the cost is already fixed and actually performing the treatment doesn't really increase your expenses. Those types of services are ideal candidates for front-end offers, and they can serve as a gateway to your significantly more expensive treatments. Now, you might be wondering, why can't you just advertise that $1,000 treatment on the front end? You're a luxury brand in your area. You don't want to attract those Groupon shoppers. Why not throw up an ad for one of your flagship expensive services? The main reason why those types of offers tend to fail is because you're advertising to a cold audience that doesn't know, like, or trust your business. So if you price your offer at $1,000 plus, it's the equivalent of asking somebody to marry you on the first date. That's a huge commitment for somebody that doesn't even know if you're a real business. It could be a scam for all they know. You have to lead with value, get them in the door, build that relationship, give them a great experience during that initial appointment, and then you can pitch them on your significantly higher ticket services, and that's where you make the long-term, much higher ROI. And that's exactly what we preach to all of our clients on a daily basis. Now, I know there are some of you that still cannot wrap your head around reducing the prices of your treatments, or you're hyper worried about attracting brokies into your business, and you still want to try to make it work with a higher ticket front-end offer. There are a couple things that you can try to have a little bit more wiggle room as far as what you're charging on the front end. So here are a couple examples of when high ticket offers could work, even though it's still not my favorite thing to start off with. If you have excellent UGC, you can get away with charging more on the front end. Are you somebody that posts to your social media regularly? You have a ton of great before and afters. You have amazing testimonials from happy patients. You have a photogenic staff and a wonderful looking office that you film great content in. If that sounds like you, great. You can experiment with charging more on the front end. And the reason you can get away with it in that case is you're already building a lot more trust when somebody can see an ad and it actually shows off what your business looks like. It shows what they're in for that first appointment. It shows the treatment being done, the actual devices that you guys use. It gives you a lot more credibility and makes you seem way more legit than if you were to just rely completely on static image creatives. And then of course, the other way that you can get away with higher ticket front-end services is if you already have a huge organic presence on social media, you already have some level of fame in your area, some type of notoriety, where people already know of you as an expert, and you have that track record that can command a higher ticket premium for your services. But if that's not you and you're not so great at filming UGC just yet, stick to the low ticket front end offer. I promise you it's going to work out in the long run if you have a good sales process in place once the leads actually get to your office for that first appointment. Now, maybe you're on the other extreme end of the spectrum and you're totally open to doing a free offer. Let's flood it, get as many people to opt in as possible. What could be a bigger no-brainer than free, right? It does make sense to a certain degree, but there are certain trade-offs that you have to be aware of if you're considering running a free offer. So here are a few free offer pros and cons to keep in mind. We'll start with the pros. You're going to get a high volume of opt-ins, no question about it. You're creating a essentially frictionless front-end offer. However, at such an aggressive price point, you do run the risk of attracting window shopping and broke customers. Your show up rate for these appointments is going to be a lot lower because when you're running a free offer, you can't really collect a deposit without seeming super bait and switchy. So the happy medium, if you do want to experiment at some point with a free offer, is to collect a card on file when booking appointments with the leads that opt in. So they're not charged, and it is a free treatment. However, they would be charged a no-show fee if they don't show up or if they cancel within 24 hours of the scheduled appointment. That way, there's still some skin in the game on the side of the leads. It should positively affect your show up rate, but it's still a much lower friction interaction than actually collecting a deposit in order to get them on your calendar for that first appointment. So those are Facebook and Instagram offer fundamentals. Those are best practices that you can implement. You also now have 5 winning examples of med spa offers thanks to our proven med spa offers pack that you've already purchased. But how can you actually find more inspiration to use to come up with new offers as time goes on? Well, lucky for you, I'm about to show you exactly how. So here's how to find winning offers. It's very simple. You're going to utilize the Facebook ads library. Now this is some sauce. Did you know that at any given time, you can check what your competitors are running as ads on Facebook and Instagram? In fact, it's not limited to just your competitors. You can see what everyone is running at any given time. All you have to do is head on over to Google and type in Facebook ads library. That's gonna bring up this page. Then just click on the very first search result. It should say ad library. And now it's gonna pull up this page. All you have to do is select the country you wanna search in. For ad category, just click all ads. And then you can type in a keyword or advertiser to search. So let's say you want to see what people are running for body contouring, right? Let's keep it super general. And now you can see every single ad that's currently running on Facebook and Instagram that incorporates the word body contouring. So now you can back engineer successful offers, copy, and ad creatives at any time. However, not all ads are created equal, and obviously there are winners and there are losers. So how can you tell the difference? We obviously can't hack into every single person's ad manager and actually see how much they're spending, what their return on ad spend is, but there are ways to take educated guesses on which ads are performing well, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it when I'm searching through the Facebook ads library for inspiration. All you have to do is click on the filters tab here, and then you're going to adjust the date range. So again, we can't tell which ads are performing the best, but if an ad has been running for an extended period of time, call it 2 weeks or longer, chances are that ad is performing well. Otherwise, whoever's running those ads would have probably killed them by now. So what I like to do is set the date range to at least 2 weeks. In this example, I'm gonna do a month. So we'll go 11/4/2025 and we're gonna hit apply. And now it's gonna show you all of the ads that have launched today, all the way back to November 4th. So you can see here at the top of the list, it's all the ads that have been running today. Now you can definitely feel free to check some of these out, get some inspiration, but we have no way of knowing if these ads are actual winners because they were only launched today. That's not enough time to tell. So what you should do is just scroll back. Depending on the date range that you set, you might have to scroll for a long time. As you can see, I've been scrolling for a hot minute and we're still on December 4th. So once you've scrolled back far enough, you can start to analyze the ads that you're seeing and take some inspiration from them. So I've gone ahead and found a couple good offers that I want to share with you guys as real world, real-time examples. Here's the first one. Attention Williamsport ladies, we're looking for 15 women to undergo a non-invasive and pain-free treatment that provides same-day visible inch loss, and we have 7 spots remaining. For the next few days, our Williamsport location will be offering our $379 new patient red light body contouring package for just $37. Talk about a big discount. Normally priced at $379. Here's what's included in the new patient red light treatment package. $37 red light body contouring treatment, free whole body vibration therapy session, free in-depth body composition analysis, free comprehensive contouring consultation, free custom tailored contouring treatment plan. Claim this offer by tapping learn more below and submitting your information today. Our program is designed to change your life. Wherever you're starting from, we want to help you do your best and finish. And here's the ad creative. That was the copy that I just read. And here's the headline where, again, it mentions the $37 price point. Now we're going to go over best practices for writing copy and also creatives in the next videos. So for now, we're just going to focus on the content of the offer itself. And look how many of the offer fundamentals this one hits. It's for sure an easy yes, right? It's only $37, right? So super low ticket. 37 is actually a great starting point for a service like this. It's stacked with perceived value, right? There's tons of free add-ons. But here's the great news. None of this raises the cost of fulfillment for you as the provider. I would venture to guess that all of these free components that they're advertising right now are part of the normal service regardless. A lot of people include a lymphatic drainage massage of some kind after a body contouring session. Body composition analysis, I'm sure, is part of the normal process, right? And again, none of these cost any extra to actually fulfill on. But what they're doing by breaking down each component of that initial session is they're raising that perceived value. That looks like a ton of stuff for just $37. Wonderful. They've called out their customer avatar, females that are looking for visible inch loss fast. They've included perceived scarcity, right? Only 7 spots remaining. They have a clear call to action. Claim this offer by tapping learn more, which is right here. And they've done a good job of price anchoring by saying that this is over 90% off, right? Their normal price point is $379. Here's another example for a skin rejuvenation treatment. Tampa Beauties want brighter, smoother, youthfully glowing skin. Our signature skin rejuvenation facial is now only $99, normally $250. The perfect treatment to hydrate, refresh, and restore your skin's radiance, all with zero downtime. We're opening 15 exclusive spots for women who want noticeably brighter, healthier looking skin, long-lasting hydration, reduced redness, dryness, and fine texture lines lines, a soothing, non-invasive refresh that feels incredible. Safe, relaxing, effective. Your skin will love it. Ready to claim yours? Tap get offer, send us your details. We'll reach out to book your session. There are 15 spots. These 15 spots go fast. Once they're taken, the deal closes. What this one could do a better job of is actually increasing the perceived value. Right now, the only thing that's really doing that is just showing the price comparison. There's not a lot of bonuses or add-ons that people get when they come in, but very likely this could still be a winning offer. So now you know what a winning offer looks like, how to create one, how to find winning offers that are working right now that you can emulate at any time. And in the next 2 videos, we're going to cover how to make winning creatives, meaning the photos and videos, and the copy, meaning the wording that we just went through on these examples. So with all that being said, super excited to hop into the next topic here, and I'll see you on the next one.